Hello friends, I am Shamsuddin. I welcome you financial accounting classes. In this class, I am going to discuss preparation of bills receivable account. Bills receivable account is a real account which is prepared in order to find out opening or closing balance of bills receivable or bills receivable received during the year or bills dishonored. The format of bills receivable is as follows. The bills receivable account has two columns, debit and credit side. It begins with the opening balances, balance brought down, or we can write it as a opening balance. And same way, if there is a closing balance, it must be written like balance carried on, or we can write a closing balance. Any cash received against bills must be taken by cash or bank. Additionally, bills received during the year, it must be taken debit side as sundry debtors. These are the new bills received by the business. In case if bills receivable receivable dishonored must be credited to the bills receivable account, and sometimes the bills may be endorsed to debtors. Such entries should be taken as by sundry debtors, or we can write as a debtors. It is endorsed to the creditors. Bills endorsed. This is for the bills endorsed. And if there is any bills dishonored, so these are the various items in the bills receivable. The most important missing in this bills receivable are balance brought down. This information is very much essential to find out opening capital or to prepare opening statement of affairs. And cash received from debtors is to prepare the information with regard to the cash received from the bills is very much essential to prepare cash book. And new bills received during the years must be found out by preparing bills receivable account. This is the most important item. This balance will be transferred to the debtors account. Sometimes if there is any bills receivable dishonored, it must be credited to the debtors account, and if the bills are endorsed in favor of creditors, it must be taken credit side of the bills receivable. The most important item, sundry debtors. This item is very important. This missing is important to prepare debtors account. The closing balances is found to prepare the closing balance sheet of the business. In this way, the bills receivable account is prepared. Thank you. Jai Hind.